1. Set your goals. Before you begin planning your exams, it's important to set your goals. What do you want to achieve with your studies? Determine how much time you want to dedicate to each subject and the grades you aim to achieve. This will help you plan your study hours effectively. 2. Create an overview of your exam schedule. Make sure you have a clear overview of the dates and times of your exams. Note them down on a calendar or create a digital schedule. This will assist you in organizing your study time and setting priorities. 3. Identify challenging subjects. Look at the subjects that you find more difficult and focus your study time on those subjects. Give priority to the subjects that require extra attention, so you have enough time to understand and practice them. 4. Create a study plan. Now it's time to create your study plan. Divide your study material over the available time until your exams. Ensure you have enough time to study each subject. Plan short breaks between your study sessions to keep yourself refreshed. 5. Use study techniques. In addition to planning your study time, it's important to apply effective study techniques. Experiment with different methods such as summarizing, creating mind maps, or explaining the material to others. Discover which techniques work best for each subject and apply them during your study hours. 6. Set realistic goals. It's crucial to set realistic goals when planning your study time. Avoid overloading yourself by trying to complete too many tasks in one day. Determine how much time you need for each subject and distribute your study material evenly throughout the available time. 7. Create a study environment. Ensure you have a quiet and comfortable study environment. Avoid distractions such as your phone or television. Have adequate lighting and fresh air in your study space. A good study environment can help you stay focused and study efficiently. 8. Stay organized. During your exam preparation, it's essential to stay organized. Keep your study materials, notes, and schedule in order. Make sure you know where to find important information when needed. 9. Take regular breaks. Remember to take regular breaks during your study periods. Breaks help refresh your mind and reduce the chances of burnout. Take a walk, do some stretching exercises, or talk to a friend. It's important to include some relaxation in your schedule as well. 10. Stay motivated. Lastly, remain motivated and positive during your exam preparation. Reward yourself after completing a significant study task and keep your goals in mind. Remember that your efforts will be rewarded and exams are just a temporary challenge. That's it for today. I hope this step-by-step guide will help you effectively plan your exams. Remember to adjust your study plan if needed and remain flexible. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your exams. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful study tips. Until next time.